Managing a team with diverse roles can be challenging, especially when they have unique needs but share the same account. Operation users may need access to delivery details, while billing users should only receive financial updates. Without clear role differentiation, things can quickly become disorganized. With multiple users, you can assign specific roles, ensuring everyone gets only the notifications and access they need. Hi, my name is João, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and manage multiple users in your Metrobi account. Let's get started. Okay, let's take a look at the dashboard right now to see how we can actually add new users. So simply come to this page right here, General Settings, and then we have the Users tab. Click Add New User. And here let's say that I want to add my Operations Manager, for example. Her name is going to be Sarah Miller. We don't have to add a phone number right now, but I do have to add her email address. So let's say sarah@gmail.com. Let's say sarahmiller@gmail.com. Her role here is going to be operations, but we do have a few other options here that you can choose depending on the user that you're adding. And last but not least, we also have her availability here. So if you make changes, you can also do it from here. I'm going to click add. And there you go, the user has been added. If you ever want to make some changes, you can always come here, simply click add. If you want to make changes to the notification preferences, for example, you can do it from here. These are emails that she will or will not receive. Well, that's up to you. So I'll just click save changes, and there you go. The user has been created. The multiple users feature allows you to efficiently organize your team. It's an easy way to ensure smooth collaboration. Click the button below to create your account and start using this feature today.